Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview BioGuard Stabilizer 100. What is BioGuard Stabilizer 100? BioGuard Stabilizer 100 is a granular, totally soluble product that prevents free chlorine residual loss due to sunlight. Without Stabilizer 100, chlorine quickly dissipates and consumption increases. This product is formulated to reduce maintenance costs and chlorine consumption. It is intended only for outdoor chlorinated pools. The key ingredient of this product is cyanuric acid. Product benefits: prevents free chlorine loss due to sunlight, improves efficiency of chlorine generators, reduces chlorine consumption. Usage directions: use 1 pound of this product per 3,000 gallons of pool water to provide an initial stabilizer level of 40 ppm. The use of 1 pound per 4,000 gallons of pool water will provide an initial stabilizer level of 30 ppm. For more detailed instructions, please see the label. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.